Hey, dance now. Dance, baby. Oh yeah. Hey, when dance now. Hey, when oh yeah, dance. Dance now. Good boy. Hey guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel, guys. You guys, it has been long I did a vlog. I'm going to be doing a vlog today. So guys, I'm going to the supermarket. Today is Sunday morning. Happy Sunday to you all. I'm going to the supermarket to go and buy some stuff. Obi went yesterday to get some things, but you know me now, so he did finish it and what I really needed. So I'm going to buy some snacks, little things at home for the week. You know, so after today Sunday, tomorrow work starts. So we need all those small things at home to eat. You know, breakfast and all that. You know, before we go to work. You know, yes guys, let's go. This is my bag, which I'm going to be using. I carried it like this because I don't want it to make noise on this vlog that I'm doing, you know. So immediately I finish this vlog now, immediately I pause it now, I will leave it like this. So this is how we do our spaza here in Europe. So in case you are watching me from Nigeria or from anywhere you are watching me from, this is what we use. This is what we use in doing our shopping in supermarket, our spaza, anything you want to buy. So you just carry this. If you don't have car, you just carry this and go to supermarket, you know. So my city, I'm climbing hill. So yeah, this is the hill. Can you guys see the hill? That's why I'm resting. So guys, while going, I stopped at the bar to take coffee. That is where we are going. MOD. Get some few stuff. guys, I'm done buying everything. I got just few stuff. I said I would spend like 20 euro to buy some things that is left at home, but I ended up spending close to 50 euro, you know. So yes guys, I couldn't find big oil because normally I buy big oil at home. The one I bought Christmas is finished, and they have this small one, but I asked them, they said it's on Tuesday. They will bring it on Tuesday, so maybe by weekend I will come and buy. So that one is much better than buying all this small one, except bottle olive oil. I have those ones at home. So yes guys, thank you all so much for watching. If today is your first time, please do consider to subscribe to our channel, so whenever we upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Bye guys, I'm going to be seeing you all on my next video.